In a village nestled by a mighty river, Maya, a young woman, watched as the waters carved valleys and nourished fields. Inspired, she envisioned a community thriving with the river's gifts. Despite skepticism, Maya rallied the women, teaching them to harness the river's flow for irrigation and clean water. Together, they transformed barren lands into lush gardens, their resilience mirroring the river's relentless journey. As the river shaped the landscape, Maya and her community reshaped their destiny, proving that with unity and determination, women could create ripples of change that echoed far beyond their village.